How to use PineTales buckwheat pillows. Our buckwheat pillows are filled with these tiny buckwheat hulls that can be easily moved around, therefore making it easier to fit your body. Buckwheat is a natural and sustainable product too. To adjust the product to fit your body perfectly, simply unzip those covers. And then you can move around the holes, adding more holes to make the pillow taller and firmer if you'd like, or removing some to make it shorter and less firm. Next, we'd like to show you how to use this pillow when sleeping on your back. Begin by placing the pillow on your bed and lie down on your back. Place your head on the pillow. Make sure that your shoulders are off of the pillow and in contact with the mattress. Also, be sure that your head is not tilted forward or backward, as the goal is to keep your cervical spine or the neck in a neutral position all night long. Your neck has unique curves to it, and we want to make sure that the pillow fits your unique curves as well. You have 3 options to set up your pillow. Option 1, lie down on the pillow and lift your head up slightly to use your hands and create a hollow for your head while lying down on it. You can move your head around a little bit just to let the holes settle around your head. Option 2, fluff the sides of the pillow inward and then lie down on it. And if you feel any discomfort on the head or the ears, just simply move those holes out of the way, wiggling the head. Option 3, create a hollow for your head even before you lie down at all, and then lie down. Those are just a few options, but find what works for you. There's no one way to use this pillow. And one more thing we'd like to share is that when you're sleeping on your back, you not only want to support your neck, but also your lower back and your hips. So one way to do that is by using a cylindrical pillow under your knees. This may help reduce tension in that lower back and hip region, and therefore help you get a better night's sleep. So thanks for joining us for this back sleeping tutorial. Be sure to check out our other pillow products today.